Water has become a major challenge of our 21st century industrialized societies. For over 20 years, one company in Basse Normandy has been imagining, designing and creating products to rise to the challenge, the Gaeau Group. It is in the La Manche region that the group's various divisions have been creating these gardens of innovation. The 8-hectare technological site comprises an industrial sheet metal works, a rotational moulding unit, several assembly hubs, an R&D division, and an admin and sales hub. From water treatment and collection to pumping, from hydraulic equipment to floor equipment, Gaeau develops and manufactures flow management and dynamics tools for an invaluable asset: water. Since 1991, the company's 170 employees have had a single goal: to offer you the best technologies. The company started with 3 employees, a small workshop, limited financial resources, but a wide range of innovative and competitive products. In 1998, it created its rotational moulding unit, followed by an industrial sheet metal unit in 2001, enabling control of the whole production system. Continued expansion led to the Gaeau Holding Company in 2004. The various hubs grew yearly, leading to the Chaudreau extension in 2013. The 2,700 square metre Chaudreau site is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery. There are 2 sections, 1,700 square metres for black steel work and 1,000 square metres for stainless steel. Each zone has overhead cranes designed for easy transport of heavy loads. Chaudreau's machinery is specific to a wide range of sheet metal works, such as traditional brake presses, rollers, and punchers. The company, though, aims to be at the forefront of technology, so now has a fully automatic welding robot and a precision digital plasma cutting table, all of them machines that speed up the manufacturing process. This machine is a welding centre that can weld parts up to 4 metres in diameter and 18 metres long. That is what Chaudreau can do. The advantage over manual welding is that you can weld in a single pass, which means the tank rotates on turning rolls, covering the whole circumference without stopping. Normally, a welder has to stop every metre. Chaudreau also has 2 paint booths. The company takes care of the 2 different forms of the group's steel production: cylindrical tanks for large volumes and rectangular tanks for smaller volumes, plus floor equipment and hydraulic equipment. Chaudreau also performs an essential task for the group. It manufactures moulds for the polyethylene range and thus works in close collaboration with the design office. Its expertise does not stop there. In 2001, we took steps to diversify our activities as much as possible, so we can now manufacture items such as firefighting tanks and sheet metal products. For storage, the company now has a 2,000 square metre logistics platform, with nearby road access enabling swift dispatch. Plasto specializes in the manufacture of polyethylene hollow bodies. The company here has 2 buildings of 1,000 square meters. They are equipped with 4 rotational molding machines, some of which operate 24 hours a day. The rotational molding process of hollow bodies in polyethylene has 3 phases: the loading phase, the firing phase, and the cooling phase. In the loading phase, the materials in the molds are solid, a powder in fact. During the firing phase, these solids become liquid. During the cooling phase, the liquid hardens and cools. This is the polymerization stage. The part is then removed from the mold and a hollow body is obtained with no lines or cracks. Founded in 1998, Plasto makes all Techneau's polyethylene tanks. Over the years, the company has become an expert at changing rain into water. Collection is now one of its essential activities. We provide over 10 models for both households and councils, with up to 8,000 litres in monoblock versions. Thanks to an internally developed welding process, the company now achieves even higher volumes, with 20,000 litres in multi-block versions. Plasto both manufactures and markets its products, with the help of a team of 2 office-based sales executives and 6 mobile vendors. The company is in a position to deal with all manner of requests. At Plasto, we're always trying to innovate. Our latest innovation is EcoSlim, an ultra-slim rainwater collection system that requires much less land displacement when installed. Tomorrow, we'll see a new manufacturing unit enabling us to rotor-mold monoblock models holding 10 cubic meters. Techneau is the Gaeau Group's oldest and largest company and has 4 buildings. The polyethylene workshop has a personnel of 10. This is where the pumping equipment is assembled. At the smaller workstations, assembly is carried out in series. 30 or so stations can be assembled in a single day. The 2,000 square metre polyester workshop is, as its name suggests, devoted to the polyester range. All the tanks in this workshop are made to measure, in close collaboration with the design office. The premises have a number of different sections, a cutting booth and another booth for roughening. Finally, there is the assembly section where all equipment is assembled. Then there are the floor amenities for product storage containing 1,000 products, i.e. over 500 covers and 300 siphons. This huge warehouse guarantees tight delivery deadlines. Each part can be delivered anywhere in France in less than 72 hours. Finally, there is the administrative and sales building, housing the research and development division. Each day, a team of 10 people using powerful CAD tools designs the plan for Techneau pumping stations, producing over 3,000 per year. Techneau's great strength is its ability to imagine, design and develop new products. With 3 patents developed every year, one of the company's defining features is its creativity. Innovation is one of Techneau's strong points, and it spurred us on to develop a new range of hydrocarbon separators, due for launch in 2015. With Technosphere, the hydrocarbon separator model was completely redesigned. With the goal of conquering markets in the East, Techneau needed to design a model capable of being installed in extreme conditions. Cylindro-spherical form offers improved mechanical resistance and faster water flow. Hence, it is easier to trap hydrocarbons. But this was not Techneau's only innovation in 2014. The company also created SRK, a pumping station with an integrated valve chamber designed to make installation easier. All these new products are subjected to rigorous quality control. The laboratory is equipped with a test base to test products in conditions close to reality. Techneau doesn't just develop and market its range. Its after-sales service also takes care of the implementation and servicing of its products throughout France. Another of Techneau's major advantages is its sales department's expertise, with 20 office-based sales executives extensively trained in hydraulic solutions. The company can quickly respond to any type of request. Thanks to its employees' skills and Nero, its in-house software, Techneau is able to respond to any request for a quote in under 48 hours. Techneau was quick to grasp the importance of Internet and has developed an extensive website where all its documents can be quickly consulted and downloaded. To foster proximity with its clients, Techneau also employs 22 traveling sales executives who operate throughout France. As exports form a major part of our sales strategy, we also train all our sales personnel, both French and foreign nationals. Our export strategy aims to consolidate our presence in Central Europe via our subsidiaries and also via our range of products. This is why we developed the Hydrosphere range, which will enable us to respond to the constraints of Central European markets, i.e. deeper installation. Our presence in the rapidly expanding French overseas departments and territories is also increasing. And we have a new destination, the Maghreb, especially Morocco, where we have had great results since the start of the year. We expect our products and the whole of our range to perform very well here.